Next we're looking at specification point 1.1.2, separating mixtures. Now mixtures consist of two or more different substances that are not chemically combined. So we need to know about the different separation techniques, and the first one is filtration. Filtration is used to separate a mixture of an insoluble solid and a solution. If you're anything like my class, we did about separating rock salt, and rock salt's made up of sand, the rock, which is insoluble, and salt, which is soluble. So what we did was, first of all, we stirred the rock salt with hot water so as much of the salt would dissolve. Then we filtered it. The filtering removed the insoluble sand from the rock salt. We went on then to separate the salt from the salt solution. So after we filtered it and filtered it again to make sure it was clean, we put it in an evaporating basin and we heated it up. And solids that are soluble in a liquid can be extracted from the solution by evaporating off the salt by heating it. Now, if you've got a mixture of different liquids, then what you need to do is you need to use distillation. Distillation is a process where you heat the liquids to a certain temperature. And if you reach the temperature of the boiling point of one of the liquids, it will come off. It will turn to vapour and then it'll condense, probably in something like a Liebig condenser. So I know in our class what we did was we had a mixture of ethanol and water. And as we heated up the ethanol and water mixture to about 78 degrees, the ethanol evaporated, but the water stayed. And we showed that it was ethanol because it was flammable. Then when we heated it up to 100 degrees, we got the fraction, or we got the separation of water. And we showed it was water because it wasn't flammable. So mixtures, when you put a mixture together, they have the same properties as the individual substances they are made up of. So when you combine different substances in a mixture, they have the same properties. If you put iron and sulfur together, iron will still remain magnetic and you can separate it using a magnet. But if you react it together to make a compound like iron sulfide, then they no longer have the same properties. Compounds have different properties. Remember sodium and chlorine combining to make sodium chloride. Well, sodium is a reactive metal, chlorine is a poisonous gas. But when you put them together, sodium chloride is an ionic compound that you can put on your chips. So separation, when we separate a mixture, it's a physical process. That means no chemical bonds are broken or formed when you're doing the separation. It also means that the physical change can be undone easily. So once you've separated it, you can put the ingredients back together. Stop there, and I'd like you to make sure you can understand and explain the following separation techniques: filtration, crystallization, distillation. Thanks very much for listening.